Hi, we'll be solving an inequality problem today. How many positive integral values of p are possible if f of x is equal to x square minus 8x plus p and f of 1 and f of 2 are opposite in sign? Now f of x is given to us. So f of x is equal to x square minus 8x plus p, and it is given to us that f of 1 and f of 2 have opposite signs. So if we find the value of f of 1, now, in order to find this value, we'll compare what is inside the bracket in f of x and f of 1. That means we need to replace x with 1 in f of x to get the value of f of 1. So f of 1 will be equal to 1 square minus 8 into 1 plus p, which is equal to 1 minus 8 plus p, or is equal to p minus 7. Similarly, f of 2 will be equal to 2 square minus 8 into 2 plus p, which is equal to 4 minus 16 plus p, or is equal to p minus 12. Now it is given to us that f of 1 and f of 2 have opposite signs. That means f of 1 multiplied by f of 2 will be less than 0. So p minus 7 multiplied by p minus 12 is less than 0. Now we can use the sine curve or the sine wave method to solve this inequality. So I'll plot the 2 points, 7 and 12, and we'll draw a sine curve starting from right top and going towards left. And we'll put plus sign on all the areas which are above the number line and minus sign on all the areas which are below the number line. Since the inequality is saying less than 0, so that means this is the region for us. So answer will be P lies between 7 and 12. And they are asking how many positive integral values of p are possible. So the possible values are p can be 8, 9, 10, and 11. So answer will be 4 values, or will be option number D. Now, if you want to master the concepts of inequality and functions, do check out the links provided in the description of this video, where I teach you those concepts from scratch. Hope you found the video useful, and do share your comments on the video. Thank you.